In this video, I'll show you how to fix a Snapchat login problem. Something went wrong. Please try again later. Support code c14a. If you're trying to log into a Snapchat account with the right username and the password, but even though you're getting this error, something went wrong, please try again. Support code c14a. Then here's how you actually can fix the problem. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. So now to fix the problem, the very first thing that you have to do is simply go and press and hold the Snapchat application from your device and then tap on app info. And once you're here inside the Snapchat app info, you just need to scroll down, or you just need to find out the clear data option. You just need to tap on the clear data option at the bottom right and then tap on clear cache. Now this time tap on clear cache, you just need to tap on OK, and this time just need to get back from here and then open up the Play Store. Go ahead and search for a Snapchat here. And then tap on the Snapchat, and if you found any pending update, go ahead and update your Snapchat application to the very latest version. And once you have done that, just get back from here and then force close the Snapchat application from the background. And right after that, go ahead and open the Snapchat application again and try log into your account. Let's say you did this process but you still have the problem, then the very next thing that you have to do, from the login page, you just need to tap on forget password at the bottom here, and then you can select one of these options. You can reset your password via phone or the email. So I'm going to select the email, for example, and then go ahead and enter the email address that is associated with your Snapchat account. And then go and tap on send confirmation code. And once you do that, this will immediately send the confirmation code to your Gmail account. So you just need to enter the code here. And once you do that, your Snapchat account will be immediately logged into your phone. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. Or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.